There, look how cute our little cupcake is. All right, Sky and Chase, go ahead. Hi guys, look at all of this Play-Doh and our cute Paw Patrol. And they really want us to make some cupcakes, so we're gonna make a couple cupcakes for them. So first, let's start with the bottom part of our cupcake. There we go. So here's our round Play-Doh, and we're gonna make in the bottom of our cupcake. We're gonna roll it and smush it a little bit. Roll and smush and roll. I think it's a little bit too much Play-Doh, so we're gonna cut it in half. And I think that'll be a good little cupcake bottom. So now we need to make all these little lines in our cupcake. There, so there's a bottom of our cupcake. And now let's make some pink icing. There we go. So we're gonna use this cool thing to make some icing. So first we need to roll our Play-Doh. So it's in this little skinny thing. Then we're gonna push it down in our cute little icing maker. Now we're gonna push it out. We're gonna make some icing. Just like that. And now pull it out. And we need to add some more icing. More Play-Doh to make more icing. Okay, and then let's push this in and make some more. Okay, and let's do that one more time. Okay, here we go. Here's some more icing. Okay, now let's try wrapping this around our cupcake. There, look how cute our little cupcake is. Now we need to pick a color of sprinkles we want to add to our cupcake. So we have pink icing. Let's do yellow sprinkles. Or should we do rainbow sprinkles? I think we should do rainbow sprinkles. Let's get a little bit of Play-Doh from all of our colors. Okay, now that we have all our colors, we need to roll them all out. There's all our colors, and now we have this awesome, cool straw we're going to use to make little sprinkles. There's our first sprinkle. It was purple. Now let's make a blue one, and green, and yellow, and orange, and red. Look how cute our cupcake is with all of its rainbow sprinkles. Look how cute. Let's add some more rainbows. Look how cute. We need to put one right on top. Oops. There. Look how cute our rainbow cupcake is. Okay. Now, let's get Chase and Sky and let's let them eat it. Are you guys ready? We are so ready. All right, Sky and Chase, go ahead. Oh my goodness, you guys, you ate that whole thing. Good job. All right. That was fun. We made a cupcake for Paw Patrol with all of our rainbow sprinkles. Okay, time to say bye.
Bye-bye.
Look out, Paw Patrol. No, Rocky. Oh, no. Nah! Oh no, Rubble! Oh, Chase! Oh no, all the Paw Patrol! Ah! Ah! What's happening? There's all of these cars! Whoa! Whew. I got all the Paw Patrol. They're safe. Look at all these crazy cars. Paw Patrol, these cars are going crazy. I think they were having a race to see who was the fastest. You know what that means. We need to see who's the fastest. So we have this cool purple one with some red flames. Oh, that one's pretty sweet. That's like a for real race car. Then we have this taxi cab. It's yellow with the checkers. Oh, and don't forget the police car. It's black and white with this yellow star. And this looks just like a normal red car. It has 2 shades of red. Ooh, check out this orange one. This one has flames too, with yellow flames. That's kind of a race car. Okay, here's a light green one with a dark green stripe. That's kind of a racing car. Check this one out. This one's silver. It's all shimmery. Except that looks kind of like just a normal car. This is a hatchback car with 2 shades of blue. And this looks kind of like a minivan, but kind of not. It's a normal looking car too. All right, look at all these cars. We're gonna figure out which one's the fastest. All right, let's line them up back here. Holy cow, look how many there are. Wow. Can you tell me how many there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 of them. All right, so let's start with this purple race car. Let's send them down. Okay, all right, that one went that far. Let's mark that. We're gonna put perp for purple race car. Okay, now let's see how far the taxi goes. Not as far as the perp. This is taxi. Taxis are supposed to be fast though. All right, how about the police car? Ooh, he barely passed up the purple. Police. Check that out. All right, now let's do this orange race car. Ooh, he's the same as the taxi cab. We'll put it right here. Orange. We'll just write out the whole color for orange. All right, how about this red one? Ooh, the red one's kind of slow. Red. All right, let's keep going. How about this blue one? Oh my gosh, this blue one went farther than the taxi. All right, let's do this green race car. Oh my gosh, this race car is supposed to be fast. They're all pretty close though. Look how close they all are. All right, let's do silver. Oh my gosh, silver might be the fastest. All right, last one. This is our other blue car. Ooh, he's about the same as green. This is light blue. All right, look at all of ours. Silver is the fastest though, next with the police. So let's do our silver and police and see who goes farther. It's the silver one. But look, both of them went shorter than last time. Let's try again. There we go. Oh, the police car won that time. All right, last chance. Let's see. Ooh, the silver car fell over. Oh, that one's pretty tied. All right, you guys, we don't know which one's faster, so this is the last one. Silver it is! Silver's our winner! There goes silver. And police. Looks like silver's our fastest car. Woohoo! Let's make right here. We have first place. Okay, now let's do our police car with our purple one and see which one goes faster. Ooh, they ran into each other. Let's try again. Ooh, I think the police car is faster. Oops. Ooh, police car is barely farther. Let's do it like this again. I think the police car, that makes the police car second place. All right, now purple, and this blue one's next. Oops, look out, blue one. Whoa, look how far that blue one went. I think that one's next up. Third. Looks like our purple car isn't that fast. But he can be fourth. Check that out. Then all these guys can be in the back just watching. Good job, all of you drivers. Paw Patrol, how'd they do? Did they do pretty good? Pretty good. All right, which car was your favorite? I really liked the silver one, but I also really liked those flames. So, I don't know. But okay, say bye to all our cool cars in Paw Patrol. Bye.
Bye-bye. Please subscribe.